Kevin Nash. And a shout out to DJ Delz.
Yes, sir. Too sweet.
DJ Delz.
We got a brand new Funko Pop episode. We're going to give you a detailed review. Take them out of the box when it comes down to the Razor Ramon Common and the Chase, which is Scott Hall from the NWO. I'm going to get close up. I know we're a little bit far away. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a vibe with all the different Funko Pops and whatnot. I mean, there's tons more. If I go up top, you see we got a whole bunch more. But I just wanted to just back it up a little bit. And we'll zoom it in now a little bit. This video, we're going to take them out of the box, review them. Me personally, I really love them both. I feel like if you're a fan of WWE, you kind of need to get both. It's hard to get the Chase, of course. For those that have no clue what the hell a Chase is 1 out of 6 is a variant, like a different version. So like, this is the common version, which is still amazing and a must-have. 1 out of 6 is this right here, the NWO version. So once again, I'm going to take them out of the box. We'll get super close up. Before we do so, a lot of you guys know I've been searching for the Vince McMahon Funko Pop Chase. And guess what, guys? Look what we got. We got the Chase right here. Finally, shout out to my girl. Early birthday gift. My birthday, by the way, is July 20th. I will have my P.O. box in the description box below. If anyone wants to send any birthday cards, you know, anything to unbox, please do so. That will be there, and I'll be doing a video most likely, if that happens, where people actually send stuff. We'll see. I'm looking forward to getting Asuka. I still want Sergeant Slaughter and Kurt Angle. I do have this Triple H, but I really want the Chase with the skull mask. So I'm still looking for that. If anyone can help out, let me know. And hit me up on my Instagram, please. And I will definitely figure out something that we could work out as far as with a trade. I don't want to buy them over retail, but I don't mind doing trades, you know, Funko Pops for Funko Pops. Just things that are worth, you know, the actual trade. But this video is all about these two bad boys right here. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we go with a detailed look close up. As you can see, you've got Scott Hall on the left, the Chase, and you got Razor Ramon on the right, man. Both amazing pops. Must-haves if you're a fan of wrestling, in my opinion. Must-have Funko Pops. There's a close-up look at Scott Hall. Close-up look at Razor Ramon. There's the face-off. Let me know which character you like better, Scott Hall, NWO, or Razor Ramon. Leave that in the comment box, too. There's a look at them from behind. This is weird. Sorry. Sounded terrible. There's a look at their other side. There we go with the comparison, the detailed look at Scott Hall, the Chase. Razor Ramon on the right. Leave your comments. Let me know which one you like better. And there we go with a detailed look at both Funko Pops. Let me know who you like better, Razor Ramon or Scott Hall. I'd love to know that in the comment box below. I really wish that the Chase had Scott Hall's name on it. Kind of like what they did with the Princess Leia on Speeder Bike. The Chase, as you can see here, they put Luke Skywalker instead of Princess Leia. I think that would have been really cool if they did it. By the way, this is one of the best chases ever. This was such an awesome idea. And this one is definitely up there as one of the best chases ever also. And I really recommend you getting both of them if you're a wrestling fan. So I'll put more information in the description box below if you're looking for Razor Ramon. Plus a ton of other Funko Pops that are available on pre-order that I think you're going to want to lock in. So look in the description box. Check out this listing. It's there to help you guys out. So check that out. Plus, join my Patreon. We do a monthly giveaway. You could win a whole bunch of Pops by joining the Patreon. You get an hour podcast, which is Q&A. And I think you all will love it. I don't even think so. I know you will love it. Matter of fact, if you try for the first month, you don't like it, I'll give you your money back. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think of it. And thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, leave your comments. I want to know, who do you like better, Razor Ramon or Scott Hall? To me, I can't pick. I think it's a tie because I love the vignettes with Razor Ramon, but man, all that craziness with Scott Hall, Kevin Nash, and Hogan was so epic. So to me, it's a tie. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Subscribe, of course, if you're new. And I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow. If not tomorrow, the next day with a new video.